United Kingdom, a short documentary.
Feels like the right time to dance the whole night. Express yourself, try something else. Don't take a backseat, you can start living free. It's all in you, do something new right now. It's the time to make it happen, turn it up. Nothing holding you back, so just react, don't stop. Let's start something.
Welcome to our documentary on the United Kingdom, a land steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty.
Let's start something. Let's start something. Your time is right now. Shout it out loud and proud.
From its iconic cities to its picturesque landscapes, join us as we explore this fascinating nation.
Perfect day to make a simple change. Start to believe it when you don't see it. Right now is the time to make it happen. Turn it up. Nothing holding you back, so just react, don't you stop. Let's start something. It's all in you. Let's start something. Try something new. Let's start something. It's all in you.
The history of the United Kingdom stretches back millennia.
It's not complicated if you want to take it.
It was here, on this island, where ancient peoples left their mark. From the Romans and Vikings to the Normans, each wave of settlers shaped the cultural tapestry we see today.
If you want to take it.
The UK's story unfolds through its castles, cathedrals, and stately homes, where tales of monarchs and rebels intertwine.
Let's start something. Let's start something. Let's start something. Let's start something. It's all in you. Let's start something. Try something new. Let's start something. It's all in you. Let's start something.
Did you know? The United Kingdom comprises 4 nations: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland.
Express yourself. Try something.
Its capital, London, is not only Europe's largest city but a global financial hub.
It's all in you. Do something new right now. It's the time to make it happen. Turn it up. Nothing holding you back, so just react, don't you stop. Let's start something. Let's start something.
With a population nearing 70 million, the UK ranks among the world's most culturally diverse nations, boasting a rich tapestry of languages, customs, and traditions.
Your time is right now. Shout it out loud and proud. All you need is within your reach. This is the perfect day to make a simple change. Start to believe it when you don't see it. Right now is the time to make it happen. Turn it up. Nothing holding you back, so just react, don't you stop. Let's start something. It's all in you. Let's start something. Try something new. Let's start something.
Geographically, the UK offers stunning contrasts.
It's not complicated if you want to take it. It's not complicated, you can have it
From the majestic peaks of Scotland's Highlands to the tranquil lakes of the Lake District, its landscapes inspire artists and adventurers alike. With a temperate climate, the British Isles enjoy mild winters and lush summers, perfect for exploring its abundant natural beauty year-round. The UK's population is a mosaic of cultures and ethnicities.
Feels like the right time to dance the whole night. Express yourself.
London alone is a melting pot where over 300 languages are spoken.
You can start living free. It's all in you. Do something new right now. It's the time to make it happen.
Yet, despite its urban density, the countryside offers quiet retreats, where centuries-old villages preserve a sense of timeless tranquility.
Your time is bright now. Shout it out loud and proud. All you need
Beyond London, the UK boasts vibrant cities that blend history with modernity.
to make a simple change. Start to believe it when you don't see it right now. We
Edinburgh enchants with its medieval old town and the grandeur of its castle.
turn it up. Nothing holding you back, so just react. Don't you stop. Let's start something. It's all in you. Let's start
Cardiff, capital of Wales, is a hub of culture and sport. Belfast, in Northern Ireland, is a city reborn, its Titanic quarter a testament to its maritime heritage. Manchester thrives as a dynamic cultural hub, famous for its music scene and industrial heritage. Birmingham, known as the City of a Thousand Trades, dazzles with its modern skyline and historic canals. Glasgow, Scotland's largest city, captivates with its Victorian architecture and vibrant art scene.
Feels like the right time to dance the whole night. Express yourself.
Liverpool, birthplace of the Beatles, pulses with musical history and its iconic waterfront.
Start living free. It's all in you. Do something new right now. It's the time to make it happen. Turn it up. Nothing holding you back, so just react. Don't you stop. Let's start something.
Bristol boasts a rich maritime heritage and a vibrant cultural scene, from street art to historic landmarks.
Let's start something. Let's start something. Your time is bright now. Shout it out loud and proud. All you need is within your reach.
Oxford charms with its prestigious university, medieval architecture, and picturesque riverside setting. Cambridge beckons with its renowned university, punting on the River Cam, and historic colleges. Culture thrives in the UK's myriad forms. From Shakespeare's Globe Theatre to cutting-edge contemporary art, British creativity resonates globally. No journey through the UK is complete without savouring its culinary delights. Fish and chips by the seaside, haggis in the Highlands, or a comforting Cornish pasty, each dish reflects regional flavours. Afternoon tea, with its dainty sandwiches and scones, is a cherished ritual. The UK entices visitors with a treasure trove of attractions. Buckingham Palace dazzles with its changing of the guard ceremony. Stonehenge's ancient mystery beckons travellers to Salisbury Plain. Edinburgh Castle stands sentinel over Scotland's capital, while the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is a natural wonder. As our journey through the United Kingdom comes to a close, we're reminded that its charm lies not only in its history and landmarks but in the warmth of its people and the richness of its culture. Whether exploring its cities or wandering its green valleys, the UK promises unforgettable experiences for all who visit. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the United Kingdom. If you enjoyed our journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy travels!